Hello, in this video today I'm going to show you how to make this plant called Bistorta Amplexicaulis. You will need a chenille in this size, okay? Then a 100% acrylic yarn in this size. And I use 3.5mm crochet hook. And this is very easy. You will start by doing a slip knot, then chain of 2, 1, 2, and then single crochet in this first chain, then slip stitch in the same chain. Then repeat chain of 2, 1, 2, single crochet in the first chain, then slip stitch in that same chain. Repeat for 40 in total. And once you completed the 40 times, make a chain and cut the yarn. Then hide the tail on this side. Now pinch the stitch on the top of the stick here, then wrap around or place this one around the stick like this. Now let's make the leaves. Start by doing round 1, magic ring, chain, then do 6 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 6 single crochet around, pull make a gap on the middle and in the center here, then do round 2, do a increase including the tail. Okay, you can mark or you can count the number. So I will just insert this stitch marker. Okay, for beginner, increase meaning you have to place two stitches in one chain or 2 single crochet in one chain. In total, you will have 12 single crochet stitches around. Okay. Then cut this tail. then increase. So now we have 12 stitches around. Then for round 3 to 7, you will just need to repeat single crochet in each of the chain for 5 rounds. Okay, so you will just need to repeat. You will add 5 rounds. This is what look like on the edge of the stem. Okay, repeat 5 rounds of 12 stitches, and then this is what it look like after. Then we will start. Remove the stitch marker, make a single crochet, then chain 14. After chain 14, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook at the back, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Then slip stitch in the next 2 chain here. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, and then start chain of 8. And slip stitch second chain from the hook at the back, chain 7, slip stitch 7, and then slip stitch in the next 2. Okay, you just need to repeat alternately a chain of 14 and chain of 8. And this is what it looked like after, once you have 6 in total. Then slip stitch in the next 2, 1, 2, and then now we will start with the first leaf. Make a double crochet in the next 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then half double crochet in the following 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then single crochet in the last. Then do the same on the other side of the here, single crochet and half double crochet in the following 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then double crochet in the next 6 chains. Then slip stitch in the next 2. 1, 2. Then in the leaf number 2, leaf number 2, double crochet in the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3. Okay, make sure you will have these 2 loops on that under there. Then half double crochet 2, and then single crochet. Then do the same thing on the other side. Double crochet, then 4 double crochet in the following. Then slip stitch in the next 2. Just repeat alternately. Okay, so this is what it looked like. Then at the end, slip stitch in the next 2. 1, 2, and then cut the yarn. Then we can flip. Okay, we will use the back side like that. We'll use like this, and then hide this extra tail right here. And then you can cut the tail. Okay, so this is what it looked like inside. Okay, you will have a hole on the under of this, and you will insert the like that. Okay, insert that or this. And for the path tutorial, you can click on going to the video tutorial on the right side. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment. And if you make this flower, please tag me on my Instagram account. And thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.